In this video, we're gonna look about make money online using Google Translator. These videos people are making, this system work, but they are most of the videos recommending people per hour. People per hours are not recommending Google Translator as their translating tools. You need to be a professional in order to do translation gig on people per hour. So in this video, I'm going to show you the new way that you can make money online using Google Translator, get paid around $561 for each job, work worldwide, no skill required, PayPal payout, a completely new website. And this is not pay per hours, or this is not Fiverr, this is not Upwork, this is completely new website, which is 3 websites which I will review end of the video. So continue to watch that. Also for the competition giveaway, watch the video until the end. Before that, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icons. I make a video on money making, save money, investing money, starting new business. So if you want to watch video like that, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video. So before we can show the website how Google Translation work, everybody know that. So I want to show an example. So this is the French article. I just come around, just copy that and go to Google Translator, put it there. It will translate the entire French into English. Then you can download that into a document onto the document. Then you can edit it. The thing is, in order to get paid immediately, you need to make sure these document that you translated are in proper order. So what you have to do, you copy that and go to tool like Grammarly. If you put it there, it will add the punctuation, grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes if Google Translator missed. Okay, Google Translation exactly translate everything, but there's some error like a spelling mistake or grammar or punctuation. Then you can use the tool like this, and you can re-edit the document. Again, in order to get full benefit of Grammarly, you need to have a pro version. I have the pro version, but you can use the free version in order to check the grammar mistake and the spelling mistake on using Grammarly. Now once it's the document done, how you can get gigs. The first website is called Gengo.com, Gengo.com. It's again a professional translation website, and you can go, these other companies they are working with. So if you go down the bottom of the website, and there's a section called Become a Translator. If you click that, I will give all the information that you can see. Flexible schedule, our global platform is active and 24/7. Pick and choose the gigs. Okay, you don't have to do everything. They don't going to give you that. You have to choose the translation gig that you want to do, and support your community and latest technology. Our state-of-the-art workbench makes a working on PC and tablet, their website work and all the devices. This is the one I'm talking about, guys. If you're translating anything into English, then you get out and pay around $417. Now if you go around here and click Chinese, 544, and if you go into French, which is a little bit higher, you can see 561. If you go into Japanese, 543. If you do Portuguese, 497. So each different languages has a different price, guys. So you can at least you can make around $400 using this website. So basically what this website has is around 370,000 monthly visitors. Not many, but low competition. You can see helpful onboarding materials and many job for some languages. This here, not all the language available. So selected language available, but there's a mini job for that. You get paid around twice a month, PayPal payment only, and they will charge 1.5% commission, which are around $1.50 or $20. And you have to pay the PayPal fee when the transaction occurs. This is simple, guys. The second website is called Smartling.com, Smartling.com. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Again, it's specific for translation job. You can see all the big brands are working with them. And if you again go down the bottom of the page, and there's a section called Become a Translator. If you click that, Again, you go and register today and apply, and it's work worldwide. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to have a big skills or anything. Again, that website getting around 310,000 monthly visitors, and you can see it's a constant flow of orders, so you don't have to worry about that. The problem with the payout is not clear, but you can other articles said you can pay around for each articles, or some articles say you pay around twice a month. So go and check it out on their website before you sign in. And third one is called OneHourTranslation. Again, specific for translation job. Again, you can see the big brand like Samsung, Intels are working with them. So if you go down the bottom of the page, again there's a section called become a translator. The section is not in the bottom of the page, there's a top page here, join as a translator. It will open the registration page where you can join as a translator, take the online exam. Again guys, this is not big exam. They're gonna give you an article that you need to translate into the language that you are prefer, and get reviewed by our staff, receive certification, start working and get rated on a bigger project, get paid bigger guys. And again, this website is getting around 270,000 monthly visitors, good support and some translation progression system, and in next 30 after earning minimum $20 early payout option available. Yes, you need to get around $20 to get payout, and PayPal, Wire and Pioneer payment system available. And the commission they charge is varies. Also, you have to pay the PayPal fee when the transaction. Okay guys, this is how you can make around 400 per day by joining these sites, low competitive site where you can do your gigs and get paid for that. You can use a Google Translator as a tool in order to translate it. And again, this is not a Fiverr or Upwork or 1 hour per other website, so your competition is very low guys. Also go and check it out, this article provided by SmartCat, the top 15 website to get freelancing translation job, where they talk about all the 15 best website you can register today and become a translator and make money from it guys. Thanks guys for watching, and see you on next one. Before that, if you are new to my channel, all my subscribers like my videos and press the bell icon. Also for the giveaway, if this video hit 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on next video, but this giveaway only happen on June, so you have a chance to win £10 when this video get 100 likes. All you have to do, click the like button on the comment section, I like this video, and put your PayPal address. I will pick the winner on next video. Again guys, I will pick a winner if this video get 100 likes, and see you in next one.